Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. This is Earwax Removal Blog number 111. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at a patient's ear that was diagnosed with an outer ear fungal infection. You can actually see it on the screen, that dry, flaky stuff as we move the curette through. It almost looks like it's snowing. It's a little bit gross, to be honest with you. So here's how this patient came to us. They were seen by their primary care doctor and diagnosed with a fungal infection in the outer ear. The primary care doctor attempted to remove the wax and couldn't get it out, and really wanted this out prior to having the patient go through drops and their medical treatment. So what they did was they contacted our office and asked if we would attempt to remove this wax for the patient, either through the curette or through irrigation. They were going to send them to an ENT, but the ENT told them they couldn't get them in for about 2 weeks. So we said, sure, we'll attempt to get it removed, see if we can't help this patient. As you can see, we're getting back into the wax here and really just trying to loosen up what we have. So we can use a little bit of irrigation to remove the majority of this debris so the patient's medication for their fungal infection will actually be effective. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm and keeps me motivated to put this content out. Again, please remember, this is not medical advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only, and to tell a little story about what we're seeing in our clinic on a daily basis. So as we consulted with the primary care doctor for this patient, we decided we'd get him in, we're getting this all removed, and at this point, the patient is not reporting any symptoms. They're not feeling like their ear hurts. Really, the only reason that the doctor even looked in their ears, they told them that it was just an uncontrollable itching sensation. So that's where we're at. Now, we've removed a whole bunch of this, so we're going to use a little bit of a little more curette, and then we're going to hit this with some irrigation. You can see as we're pulling on the wax, it's really coming away from the root of the ear canal and giving us a good view back. And the ear canal actually doesn't look that bad, considering we know this to be a fungal infection as diagnosed by the primary care doctor. So let's see what the irrigation brings as it comes out. Again, I didn't have another set of hands with me, so you get this lovely video. And as we look back in, it actually doesn't look that bad. This patient continued under the care of their primary care doctor. About a week later, everything looked great. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.